What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick mod. I think I paid 150 bucks for these, but I'm going to show you real quick what I'm going to be doing. So as you guys can see, when you buy the TRX, you get these chrome lug nuts. I don't know if you guys have the same thing, but I don't even have a wheel lock on mine, so anybody could just basically just take these off and take my tires. But let me show you what we're going to be replacing it with. Bought these Gorilla lock nuts, so they're all black. I'm going to show you what they look. I'm not going to take anything out of the box, but I'll show you guys what it looks like once I get it done. And this is the code. So factory style bulge, 14 millimeter times 1.50, 6 lug. I believe there's a full set in here. It should be 24. So there should be 24 nuts in there. I'm gonna get these put on now. I'm running a little late, so let me go get these put on and I'll show you what it looks like after.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, I got it done. Let's take a look. So there you go. No more chrome. Now we got the black Gorilla lug nuts on there. And now I have a wheel lock, so it can't just come right off. But even just that little like touch on it, now it's just blacked out. Like, I don't know why they put chrome on there, but like, you know, now it just looks so much better, just all blacked out. It's just a little, you know, it's like the little things, you know. And plus, like, they're gloss, so like I told you, like the handles come to be wrapped, so now it kind of matches all up better. You can see the back. The truck's filthy. It's actually about to go get a car wash, but yeah, you can see how it's turning out. And I've also been looking at wheels. I don't know, man. When I had my Jeep, like, I saw so many wheels I like, but for some reason I've been looking at truck wheels and I can't find any that I like. So I'm gonna stick with these for a while, and then you know, once I find something, then I'll definitely you know, switch it over. But yeah, so right now I'm on my way to go get a car wash. You can see how dirty the car is, so I'll probably film a little bit of that, and that's probably gonna be this video. So